Exploring different worldviews about the relationship between humans and environment and applying ideas such as stewardship and sustainability in their studies of the environment, that is natural and man-made. Next concept in human geography is change. Change involves any alteration to the natural or man-made environment. It can be spatial or temporal even. Change is a normal process that takes place in both natural and cultural environments. It may occur in varying rates at different times and in different places. It means the change in nature differs from region to region, time to time, and a rate of the changing is also different. At time, some changes are predictable, recurrent or cyclic, while others are unpredictable or erratic. We know all such predictable and unpredictable that are going on in our surroundings. Change can be spatial and place related, but may be visible or invisible. This can include changes in the location, in size, in distribution, in density, or phenomena pattern in the nature or the environment, both in natural and man-made. The changes of use a place nature can also be identified. Change can be non-spatial and still be of relevance to geography, more particular in human geography, such as change in land use policies in our natural environment or man-made environment. Variable incidence of something over time can offer significant information for geographers. Change over time, also known as temporal change, is an example such as the change in forest cover across India. We use it to study the spatial distribution and temporal changes of forest cover or the vegetation across the states in India. Change rates are important to know. In the discipline of human geography and geographic knowledge, changes can be examined in the time scales, which range from millions of years for geological and landscape changes to a matter of a few years, months, days, or even hours. For example, to say, since a couple of weeks, the drastic changes took place in weather phenomena across the Telangana as well as in southern parts of India, because of it has been raining and raining and raining. If you take the rainy days, the change, the timing of the change, time scale of the change would be months or would be days. Sometimes you can find the changes of raining even in hours. So that is the concept of change in geographic knowledge as well as in human geography. And another important concept in geography is the process. Process involves a series of ongoing events or the incidents or the steps that lead to the development or progress, change or preservation of something. Often process creates cause and effect relationship between things. Processes can operate within and between places and at variety of scales. For example, to say, planning processes such as the decision to build a freeway in an urban area can result in changed pattern of movement of people and have an impact on the population densities. In many of the urban centers, in Telangana as well as in India, a variety of scales of processes have been changed. For example, in Hyderabad city, metro rail and also underpass system. Besides these, the flyovers have been building in the various spots to regulate the vehicle traffics. Okay, so all these processes changes the pattern of movement of the people and also they impact on population densities. As a result of metro rail system in Hyderabad city and also the changes due to the ORR, outer ring road system, the people or the population densities are widespreading or distributing from one region to another region. So that is the importance of process. Another important concept is perspectives. The ways of observing the world or looking the world or the seeing the world that help explain differences in decisions about responses to and interaction with the environments. In fact, perspectives are bodies of the thought, theories, or worldviews that shape people's values and have built up over time. Perspectives involve people's perceptions, that is, how they view and interpret environments, and viewpoints, that is, what they think about geographic issues in natural environment or the cultural environment. Perceptions and viewpoints are influenced by values of the people, that is deeply held beliefs about what is important or what is desirable for them. The next is interaction. Interaction is an important concept in human geographic knowledge, which involves elements of an environment impacting each other and being linked together. Interaction incorporates movement, flows, connections, linkages, and interrelationships which work together and may be one or two-way interactions. The landscapes are the visible outcome of interactions. and the environment. Interaction can bring about environmental changes. And another important concept in human geography is sustainability, and widely used in geographic knowledge. It is a different concept from the others, and it encourages the formation of evaluations or judgments about current situations and their potential change into the future. Sustainability is the capacity of the environment and social systems to support people and other living things or organisms now and into the future. It involves environmental, social, economic, political considerations also. Sustainability involves adapting ways of thinking and behaving that allow individuals, groups, societies, and communities to meet their needs and aspirations without preventing generation from meeting theirs. We will look into deep about this sustainability in the fourth semester of this BA UG level. Sustainable interaction with the environment may be achieved by preventing, limiting, minimizing, or correcting environmental damage to water, air, soil, as well as considering ecosystems and problems related to waste, noise, and visual pollution, etc. Accessibility is another important concept in human geography. Accessibility denotes the ability to reach a location or a place with respect to another. In this context, accessibility is a variable quality of a location which refers to ease with of reaching locations from other locations. Human beings who are living in locations that are more accessible will be able to reach actions and destinations earlier than those in unapproachable locations. Accessibility regulates equal access and equal opportunity. Accessibility in respect to geographers is a significant element in movement for humans, freight or information. Capacity and procedure of different transportation choices mostly regulate accessibility, and locations range in terms of equality owing to their accessibility levels. The couple of main components of accessibility in transportation and geography are location and distance.